There are two or three expectations from the budget. One is the purely from a tax standpoint, increased limit of ATD from 25K to 50K. Probably that could be one intervention. Second is on the GST. It's been moved into the exempt category. If there is any way that it can be moved into a zero rated category, or there has been also a demand to keep it into maybe a 5% category, that might be just helpful to get the input tax credit. And the third and the last is the regulatory and structural changes, which could be around open architecture of distribution or composite license. So these are some of the expectations that I have. There are a bunch of things which can be done. One important thing to keep in mind is that insurance acts as a safety net for households. So from a financial stability perspective, insurance works extremely well. Second is from a business continuity standpoint, as well as for an entrepreneurship, insurance acts as a safety net for MSMEs, as well as acts as a risk mitigation measure. The third is from a climate and agricultural resilience perspective, insurance plays a very, very significant role in the market. And the fourth and not the least important is driving financial inclusion. One thing I would say the budget will be a success if we put more fiscal discipline into the entire finances of the country. Today, I believe about 37% of the revenue or income of the government is just spent on interest, which translates to roughly about 25% of the overall income of the government. If government starts repaying the existing debts as well as borrowing less as such, so that we are not kicking the can down the road in terms of the entire burden of the interest payment. I think that would be really, really something I would expect to come out of from a macro level from the budget.